Let's see four stock tomorrow's session. The first stock is Havells. You can see two inside bar candles, and what makes this inside bar candle even more great to trade is that you can see that this uh, week of Monday's candle and the closing of today's candle is bang on the same level. And also I will give you the price range over here. The close is bang on the round number of 700. So in tomorrow's session you might see Havells open gap down, or if it opens around 699 or 698, we can easily see it is going as low as the opening of this bullish candle, which is 688, or even lower than that. Second stock for tomorrow's session is Voltas. You can draw an M pattern over here, and if you draw the line which is a support level, so in tomorrow's session we can trade this pattern. The low, or rather entry point we are looking for, is 664 and below. Ideally, if Voltas opens just around the closing price in tomorrow's session, from today's session you can see it is going as low as 640. Third stock for tomorrow's session is JSW Steel. Just see this particular up move. After persistent buying on every single day, you saw this sizable bearish candle. If JSW Steel has to go down, it would have made a negative or bearish candle in today's session. But if you take into consideration this two candle, you can see a inside bar candle which we can trade in upward movements. So we are looking to trade about 292, and I expect JSW Steel to go as high as 300. It might come back if profit booking ensue. That is, we'll see in tomorrow's session. Fourth final, India Bull Housing Finance. Just see this particular down move. After a down move, there is a consolidation. As we know, market cannot fall or rise in a straight line. It has to consolidate at some point. As I have told you, if you see consolidation near a breakout zone, see, if India Bull Finance has to go up, it would have made some kind of sizable bullish candle. But if you see all this candle, you will find bearish candle outnumbering bullish candle by a huge margin. And in tomorrow's session we are looking to trade below the price of 146. If it goes below that, you can see it is coming closer to 137 or 138. If you want to know all the important levels for tomorrow's session, you can join my Telegram channel. I will leave the link in the description box. Thank you for watching.